Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to form an LLC in Washington State, and I'll make it super simple to understand. So you might be wondering why Washington is a good place for your LLC. Well, Washington offers some compelling benefits for business owners. First off, there's no personal or corporate income tax at the state level, which is a huge plus for your bottom line. The state also boasts a thriving economy, particularly in tech and innovation, and has relatively straightforward business regulations. You will find a supportive business environment and access to a skilled workforce, especially around major hubs like Seattle. Now, let me show you the simplest way to get your LLC up and running. I recommend using Tailor Brands, a professional LLC formation service that makes the whole process incredibly straightforward. The thing is, they handle all the complicated paperwork and legal requirements for you so you can focus on actually building your business. Here's how it works with Tailor Brands. You simply visit their website, enter some basic information about your business, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of everything else. They will file all the necessary documents with the state, provide you with a registered agent service, and even help you create an operating agreement. Let's talk about what you're looking at in terms of costs. The state filing fee in Washington is $180 for standard processing. When you work with Tailor Brands, their basic package starts at $49 plus the state fee, which includes all your essential filing services. Then there's the registered agent service, which typically runs about $120 per year, ensuring you have a professional handling all your important legal documents. They also offer additional services like getting your EIN and creating operating agreements, which can be really helpful if you want a complete solution. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle things yourself, here's how to do it manually. First, you will need to choose a unique name for your LLC. Make sure it ends with Limited Liability Company or LLC, and verify its availability through the Washington Secretary of State website. Next, you will need to select a registered agent. This can be yourself if you have a physical Washington address and are available during business hours, or you can hire a professional service. The registered agent needs to be available during regular business hours to receive legal documents on behalf of your business. Then, you will need to file your certificate of formation with the Washington Secretary of State. This document includes your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and whether your LLC will be managed by members or managers. After forming your LLC, there are a few more things you will need to take care of. You should create an operating agreement, which outlines how your LLC will be run. While Washington doesn't legally require this, it's really important for protecting your business structure and setting clear guidelines. You will also need to get an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This is basically like a social security number for your business, and you will need it to open a business bank account or hire employees. The good news is that getting an EIN is free through the IRS website. Actually, there are some ongoing requirements you should know about. Washington requires LLCs to file an annual report, which is due on your LLC's anniversary date. The filing fee for this is $60. You will also need to keep your registered agent information current and maintain good records of your business activities. So, what's the best way to form your Washington LLC? Well, if you want to save time and ensure everything is done correctly, I really recommend going with Tailor Brands. They make the process super simple and provide excellent support throughout the formation process. But if you are detail-oriented and don't mind handling government paperwork, the DIY route is definitely doable. Just remember to stay organized and follow all the steps carefully. Ready to get started? If you want to take the easy route, just click the link in the description below to get started with Tailor Brands. They will guide you through the whole process step by step. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and guides. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I am always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new Washington LLC.